Hello and welcome back to part 7 of my BGM mode, NHL 14 with the Colorado Avalanche. And we are here at the trade deadline. This is where we ended off the last video, and we just wanted to make some trades for depth in the playoffs, because it does look like we will be a playoff team. And as I said in the last couple videos, I do put injuries on the playoffs, just to make playoffs the most realistic. So we're just gonna be looking for depth. We don't need any like roster players. We have all of our lines set, just like, you know, high 70s overalls, like 78, 79 overall, in case one of our players goes down, so that they're just basically there to fill in for them for however long that they're out for. So I'm gonna go 20 to 30, no more than 2 years left. I don't really. And then I'm gonna go overall. An overall of 77 to 81. 77, good. 81, good. Alright, now we'll see what we can find. So centers, I'm just looking for overall with bad trade block. So 1 year left with 2 million. 1 year left with Trevor Lewis. Trevor Lewis might not be bad. He got 20 points in 63 games with the Kings, so we know he can get points. I like Trevor Lewis for backup kind of guy. Yes, I'm going to commit to that. I'm going to get Trevor Lewis. Wait, does he have, how many years does he have left? He has 2 years left. That's fine, because our centers, we have... Oh, never mind, we don't need a center. I forgot we had Gordon. Okay, yeah, we don't need centers. I forgot that we had Gordon. I think Gordon is playing, but I just don't think... I think Talbot's on a wing on the left. On the third line. Alright, what can we get left wingers? 1 year left. Mapileski. Grinder. 1 year left. Joensuu, 80 overall. 1 year left. I'll go with Joensuu. Oh no, actually he's not good offensively. Alright. Okay, we're getting a little low there. Matt Calvert, maybe. 1 year left. He's not terrible. Not very high trade value, so yeah, I guess we can get Matt Calvert. I'll give you, no, not Bobos. I'll give you Maggie. And, this guy. And, Ginnon. Let me say that. He didn't accept. Okay, great. Alright. Roster moves. Just send Calvert down. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my god, that was a waste then? I didn't think anybody would pick him up. I didn't really think so. Okay, I guess we gotta get someone else then. That's my mistake. I shouldn't have done that. Alright. Well, let's see where he went, because he was pretty good actually. What was he, like 79 overall? Calvert, Phoenix, okay. Alright, Phoenix, I'll give you Armstrong and Bishop. Will that go through? No. Alright, I'll also throw in Paul Smith. No? What a fifth? No. Fourth? No? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. There, fine, a fucking lead. Roster moves, we'll just sit there then. Oh, nope. No, don't need to do that. That's lines for the AHL yet. Okay, I think that's all we really need. I mean, we're good defensively, so we're just gonna get going with the season. Yep. There's no trades, no other trades I need to make, so I'm just going to go right through the deadline altogether, I think. Actually, we'll just go through it. It takes a minute. I'm not going to make any trades. If someone offers us something, then we'll take a look at it, but not going to make any. We did all the trades this year that we needed. So, 2 more times we got to do this, and we're good. A lot of roster send down, or a lot of, whatever it's called, yeah, like AHL call-ups and shit like that. Radek Dvorak, we don't need him. Alright, now we're going to just go to April 1st, I guess. Alright, so we're 35 and 27. Alright, come on, Toronto's not doing good. Oh my god. Alright. We beat Boston. They're doing pretty good. They're doing really good. And did we beat yeah, we beat them 3-0. Really good. Alright, Dallas is up next. Dallas is the next victim. They got Alexiak. He's getting 88 penalty minutes. Oh, shit. Can't be losing games like that, especially divisional games. Alright, come on. You gotta beat St. Louis. There you go. Gotta beat Winnipeg. They're a division team. We're about the same as them. Gotta beat them. Oh, my gosh. See, division teams, those are the big, big games. You have to really win those games. If you don't win those games, I mean, you don't stand a chance. Alright, there's a conference win. That's good. Another conference win, or another conference game right now. Another conference win right now. Alright, Phoenix in the Central? I don't think Phoenix is in the Central. We lost to them either way. Taking a little West Coast trip here. Calgary, Vancouver. Phoenix isn't on the West Coast, but Edmonton. And we lost. Alright, come on. Calgary and San Jose. Oh, scouting. Alright, get to the OHL. Did we get everything? Yeah, get there for another 6 weeks. Never hurts. Can we upgrade our staff at all, actually? No, not really. Well, I'll just get that, just so that we don't lose any players in the playoffs if we make it. I'm just going to take a quick check here. Alright, so we're in second place in our division, just 2 points back of St. Louis, so could get the division. It's possible. It's definitely possible. Alright, come on now. We got a big game right here. Yes, big win. Big win. Look at Duchesne, 45 assists. 46 assists. Oh, we lost. Johnson, he's getting too many penalty minutes for my liking. Way too many for my liking. Usually, I mean, in my offline GM modes, Johnson might get like 70. But the occasional year, he'll get 100. Whatever. We're winning. Oh, Minnesota, that's a big divisional win. Alright, they're a division team, but, oh, okay. We'll take a look at team standings. Alright, so we are in 7th place in the league. Real, not amazing offense. We're really good defense. Not so good of a power play, and a really good penalty kill, so it's our defense that's winning us games. Holy crap, I yawn in all of my videos. I don't know why, whenever I talk. Alright, so Barry is not getting much. Duchesne, he's doing really good. Tanguay, Landeskog, McKinnon's, O'Reilly's doing good. Yager's doing good. Mitchell Johnson's doing good. Edmund doing alright. Barry, he should be at about 30, 35 points right now. Delgado, he could be doing better. And all of our depth, yep. Goalies, we have Harding getting it done and Varlamov getting it done. So, it's all good. We have a lot of divisional games in the next couple weeks. Wait, is that all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight divisional games. We have to win as many of these as possible. They're all divisional games. There's a big win. Winnipeg, we're in a race with them. Come on, can we beat them? There's another big win. These divisional wins are huge. If you can't win in your division, you don't stand a chance in the playoffs. Alright. They're not doing too good, but you never can get enough wins. So, oh, big 5-0 victory. Alright, Nashville, they're still in the race a little bit, I guess. Chicago, probably, yep. Come on. Oh, 4-0 loss. Alright, can't win them all. Alright, Dallas, we can beat them. They're not doing good. We can beat them for sure. Come on. Oh, is that overtime? I don't know if that was overtime or not. Alright, come on, we gotta beat Chicago this time. We gotta beat them this time around. Oh my god. Come on, end the season with a good note. Don't. Oh my god. So this is not good. We're going into the playoffs losing 4 straight games. That's assuming we are in the playoffs, which I'm gonna guess. Yes, we clinched our division. Whoa, good job. So I'm not going to start the playoffs in this video, just, okay, stop the simulation. Back in October, I told you I wanted at least 44 wins this season. You ended up with 45. I like having my expectations met. It makes me think that I picked the right GM. Keep it up. I like what I see. Alright, so that's good. We did what he wanted us to do. We made the playoffs, so that's even better. There we are. We're 4th in the league. Our offense could use a bit more of a push. Tied for the best defense in the league. Power play got a little bit better, and penalty kill fell. So, you know, our offense is doing a little bit better, but our penalty kill is falling. But our defense is still really good, like our 5-on-5 defense. And we're going to take a look at player stats. Alright, Duchesne led the team with 67 points. Landeskog stepped it up with 63. Hangate with 60. McKinnon with 58. O'Reilly 53. Yager 48. Mitchell 41. Hedman 39. Johnson 38. Holy shit, 130 penalties. Oh my god, I gotta yawn. Every fucking video I yawn, and I don't know why. I've never yawned during the day, just sitting in my house or out with friends or whatever. Oh, I thought that was Martin Broteur there for a second. Alright, so there we have the goalies. Arlov getting it done. Alright, so, yeah, we're just going to end it right here. I'll take a look at the playoff tree. In the next video, we will start the playoffs. I'll probably just do one round at a time, depending on how fast the rounds go. But there we are. LA, Edmonton, San Jose, Phoenix, Colorado, Vancouver, and St. Louis and Winnipeg are your matchups in the West. Boston and the New York Rangers, Toronto, Tampa Bay, Philadelphia, Buffalo, Pittsburgh, and the New York Islanders are your matchups in the East. Boston and LA were the two teams that won the conferences. I'm thinking, because they're at the top. So yeah, that's it. In the next video, we will get the playoffs going, and we will see if we can beat the Vancouver Canucks in round 1 in the 2015 NHL playoffs. Thanks for watching. Stay saucy.